Welcome back to another, oh, I almost fell over. That was too intense. Welcome back to another 240SX day. Seems like you guys really liked the last video that we posted. Well, not this stroker one yet, but the calendar shoot with how many views and likes we're getting on that. Amanda looked good, yeah. She was half naked and wet and stuff like that, so clearly you guys liked it. But today, back to the 240. When I got this motor, it came with this intake. I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I mean, blue and purple, blue, looks, I can make it work. No, it looks terrible. So we went and I bought a black one. Yeah, black looks much better. So once that's on, kind of goes with the flow of the color. So that looks better. Now that's done. Today, oh, let me show you. I got the boost solenoid mounted. So there's my cute little bracket that I made the other day with Jesse. And I got the boost solenoid ready. I just need to hook it up to the turbo. I think we are modifying the shifter today. So we're gonna cut that, weld it so it goes straight up instead of, right now it kind of has a little jog in it. So we're gonna weld that, get that going up straight. We're gonna finish routing the brake lines to the rear. So we're gonna get the hydro all dialed in. We're gonna get the hydro connected and then connect it to the rear brake so the whole brake setup will be finished. So the lower radiator hose, we're trying to figure out what will fit. So we're gonna go pick up an actual Toyota Supra lower radiator hose and see if that works. What else? Oh, the oil catch can that we have over here. We're gonna finish modifying this. So we're gonna, oh, looks like boobs that Jesse drew on there. But we're actually, that is where we're gonna mount the lines. The two lines are gonna come in here. And then back here, we're gonna put, somewhere back here, I think back on this one, we're gonna put a little filter so it can vent away. Oh, here's the filter. Cute. It's gray, that's okay. Doesn't quite match, but it'll be tucked away. So that'll be done. We need to do a coolant overflow can somewhere pretty. And I think that's, no, I don't know. Then work on wiring. Anyway, we're gonna try to get as much done as we can today. Jesse is grabbing a new TIG torch body because mine, for some reason, got stripped somehow. I don't know. It's not working, so we need a new torch body. So he's running and grabbing that right now so we can get welding. So we'll see in a bit. All right, so while Jesse drills out the boobs over there that he drew on there. Oh, by the way, check out his shirt. Finally representing. I'm gonna show you the rear brake line that I routed. So from there, I found a little access hole. Probably can't really see it. So it went through there. And came, let's see. Let me show you up here. So under there, so I'm going out from that hole, and it goes up and around. It's gonna go behind the cluster, and we're gonna secure it all. It's not gonna be sitting there loose. And then it'll be coming from behind where the stereo used to be, and then comes up right up next to the hydro and connects to the top. Not too bad if I do say so myself. Be quiet over there. Sorry. And by the way, if any of you have dealt with, you can go, it's okay. Drill away. If any of you have dealt with -3 brake lines, putting them together, the PTFE lines, pain in my ass. Pain in my ass. But they look so good. All right, before Jesse cuts this for the overflow coolant, figured I'd show, and it's about to get loud. Figured I'd show you what he did. So he has the bungs welded where the boobs were, so now it's actual boobs. He has the little piece where the filter is gonna go, so that's done. Just needs to be powder coated.
You wanna show him where it goes?
Maybe. Is it hot?
No, shouldn't be
not too
hot at
bad. So I'll show you what it looks like
pull the strip bar.
Yeah, don't mind that red strut bar. It'll change colors soon. So it's gonna sit right there. So the two lines, like I said before, are coming off there. They're gonna get tucked along here and then connect right into those bungs. And the filter's gonna pop right in there. You did a fantastic job.
I did it!
So now he's gonna cut the overflow can, which we're actually gonna hide underneath here. So it's gonna go under here so you won't really see it, to keep it nice, clean engine bay. And as you can see, we are kind of going backwards. We had to take everything apart to try to get this upper heater hose reconnected. So we had to pull the coil pack here and get that. That one is a huge pain in the ass. I think in the SIV video, we told you as we were going down, one of our friends blew that hose twice. So up in that little corner up there, we had to fix that on the side of the freeway twice. Loud noises! It's about to get loud in here. I'm leaving. And while Jesse is making loud noises over there, I am connecting this boost solenoid. So just wiring it up to the harness. Just gonna crimp the wires real quick, heat them up, and that's done. And then we got boost.
Got boost.
There you go. Now it's fully in with the filter. Tucks in beautifully. Nicely done, Jesse. He's ready for more loud noises. All right.
I knew that was gonna happen.
So I got this all wired up. I actually have all the tubing plumbed over to the wastegate. I just need to get a T-piece right here so we can go up to the turbo. Other than that, that part's done. And he's over there welding. Let's go see. All right, so we're gonna call it a day. Let me kind of go over what we did. Jesse has the coolant overflow. He's actually gonna take it home so he can weld on a cap and a couple bungs, the overflow bung, and then that hooks right to the radiator. So he's gonna take that home and work his magic. We did the boost solenoid, routed all the air lines. Oh, here we go. So the oil catch can is complete, running the two lines there. So that's all done. We just have to powder coat the catch can. Air lines here. We just have to get the little top bung there for the blow-off valve. So we ordered that because I think I lost it. What else did we do?
Did some running around.
Yeah, there's lots of errands we had to run. Oh, because I'll show you the lower radiator hose. So lower radiator hose complete is actually just a stock Toyota Supra lower radiator hose. Fit perfect. We had to trim it just a little bit, and then we got the throttle position sensor. So a lot of errands, and a lot of welding by Jesse. So lots of busy work, and doesn't look like much, but it's all the little things that count. The little things put together to make big progress. So
one of the biggest things when you're doing a project is like 80% of the work takes 20% of the time, and the last 20% of the work takes almost all the time, because it's all the little things that add up that you don't think about. That's one thing that working on cars I've always noticed. You get the motor in, get the transmission done, you're like, we're there, and then
yeah,
5 weeks later you finally buttoned up all the little things.
Couldn't have said it better myself. All the little things are taking forever. But getting that much closer. Oh yeah, don't mind the fact that we've torn everything apart again. So just go backwards to go forwards, back and forth. So that's it. When we look at the checklist as far as our board goes,
We did knock a lot of stuff off of that.
if it'll focus. So we've gotten a lot done. So we just have a few things, powder coating. The next step really is to start wiring everything. So we have to get everything wired and then we'll be good. So next time we'll be probably under the dash, getting everything wired. And then, I don't know, ready to, whoa, focus. Ready to get it fired up, fill it full of fluids, get it on the dyno, get it running, get it drifting. So we'll see you guys next time.